Vishal Engineers and Galvanizers was established in the year 2004 by promoters having a collective experience of over 45 years in the steel industry and have a very well-known name in the market for manufacturing and trading of reinforcement steel and structures. It is with this knowledge and rich experience of steel industry that the promoters entered into the fabrication and galvanizing industry. The company has established a firm footing in the industry by getting substantial orders of power transmission line towers, telecom towers, windmill towers, solar panel mounting structures, substation structures, heavy fabrication and galva rebars, etc. from major companies and engineering groups. These orders were awarded by reputed organizations to Vishal due to its strict quality standards and timely delivery, resulting in positive market reference. The company has been awarded the ISO 9001-2008 certification from its inception. It is also an approved vendor for PGCIL, GETCO, MSETCL, RVPNL, MPTCL, BSNL and many more reputed corporates. In April 2011, the promoters of Vishal converted it into a private limited company and now known as Vishal Engineers and Galvanizers Private Limited. The manufacturing unit is located in a prime industrial area situated on National Highway 8A, just 20 kilometers from Ahmedabad. The location offers very easy transport connectivity. The land area of Vishal is 45,000 square yards. The company has state-of-the-art galvanizing plants and fabrication shops, well equipped with modern technologies. There are two separate administrative blocks of 4,500 square feet each with fully equipped training room to keep the staff updated on latest developments in the sector. The company also assures and enhances the strength of its workforce of 450 by providing accommodation facilities like 12 staff quarters and 60 labor quarters. Fabrication plants. The company has state-of-the-art fabrication plants, well equipped with modern fabrication technologies. The shed area of fabrication plants is Fabrication Shop 1, Fabrication Shop 2, Fabrication Shop 3, Fabrication Shop 4, each measuring 15 meters by 90 meters. The fabrication shop comprises of CNC machines, imported hydraulic machine and special purpose machines to perform operations such as straightening of sections, section cutting, item numbering, CNC section punching, CNC plate punching, bandsaw cutting, heavy drilling, saw welding, MIG welding, hot bending, heavy engineering, etc. The fabrication is undertaken as per IS 802 Part 2 international standards and also to the specific requirements of our clients. The company has a robust quality control program in place, right from raw material inspection, material usage traceability to final inspection. 100% black inspection is carried out for all products, thus leaving no room for doubt in quality. The company also assures the consistency of its product by doing complete proto-assembly of structure, which is type tested at government-approved testbed like CPRI Bangalore. With the above facilities, the fabrication capacity is approximately 4,000 metric tons per month. Hot dip galvanizing. Hot dip galvanizing process is carried in a fully automated temperature-controlled gas-fired galvanizing bath. The company owns two galvanizing plants. Galvanizing Plant 1, 15 meters by 86 meters. Galvanizing Plant 2, 21 meters by 66 meters. The processes carried out in these plants are degreasing, acid pickling, rinsing, fluxing, stage inspection on hot plate, hot dip galvanizing, quenching. passivation, blast cleaning. The work carried out at each stage is as per the inspection matrix in accordance with the relevant standards and a well-established quality plan. The galvanizing is being carried out as per IS 4759 and 2629 on structure, as per IS 12594 on reinforcement bars, that is Galva rebars, and also as per the international standards. After galvanizing, zinc coating thickness is measured with magnetic gauge and eddy current method by dial-type meter and digital alcometers to measure the best galvanizing results. With the above facilities, the production capacity of hot-dip galvanizing is approximately 4,500 metric ton per month. Supply of high-end quality product and complete customer satisfaction is the ultimate motive of Vishal, and to ensure the same, it has complete in-house facilities of testing like spectroanalysis, tensile testing, impact testing, and galvanizing tests like hammer testing, peeling testing, mass of zinc test, etc. carried out with the help of test piece attached to the product. The company can take pride in achieving quite a few milestones thanks to the continued improvement in production methods, automation, etc. advocated by the management. The care taken at every stage by qualified technical staff also goes a long way in establishing credibility by delivering quality and cost-effective products to the clients. Galvanized TMT rebars. Vishal Engineers and Galvanizers Private Limited is the first company in India to introduce hot-dip galvanized reinforcement steel bars, that is Galva rebars, as a readily available standard product. The company also undertakes job work of hot-dip galvanizing of MS reinforcement and TMT bars. The rebars are galvanized according to Indian Standard 12594 1988. It would be worthwhile to mention that the reason behind collapse of buildings is not earthquake, but expansion of steel due to corrosion by up to 3 times its original diameter. This leads to cracks in the surrounding concrete, resulting in weakening of structure. The hot-dip galvanizing is a corrosion protection process which results in metallurgical bonding by completely enclosing the steel and sealing it from the corrosion impact of the atmosphere without any effect to the properties of steel. This process is secure and reliable and has emerged technically superior and cost-effective in the long run. It increases life of the TMT bars, that is Galva rebars, by more than 300%. We all observe common galvanized structures like windmill towers, power transmission towers, and telecom towers, etc., which were erected in the open atmosphere 30 to 60 years ago. They still have some of their original coating and are expected to be corrosion-free for years to come. Many great infrastructures in the world have used galvanized steel, like the Changi Airport of Singapore, Lotus Temple, New Delhi, Sabarmati Riverfront, Ahmedabad. Advantages of hot-dip galvanizing over epoxy and painted TMT bars. The galvanizing coating is even and formed through a metallurgical reaction, whereas in epoxy-coated and painted surfaces the process creates a superficial layer not organically bonded to the steel. Galvanizing coating is stronger like steel and thicker than any other coatings on the corners and edges, while epoxy-coated and painted surface are weak as they thin out in these areas. Galvanized TMT bars can sustain heavy wear, impact and abrasion resistance during transportation, handling and site operation, while the epoxy-coated or painted TMT bars need highly careful handling as per the guidelines of standards. Zinc possesses a unique quality of traveling on steel by sacrificing itself to protect the damaged portion of coating on steel, if any. zinc provides barrier and cathodic protection against corrosion, while epoxy-coated or painted TMT cannot stop corrosion once damaged. Galvanized TMT bars can be stored for years in open environment, while the epoxy-coated or painted TMT bars needs to be stored in covered or away from sunlight as they are highly affected by UV rays of sun. The concrete bonding of galvanized TMT bars is same or better than normal black bars, while the epoxy-coated or painted TMT bars reduce the bonding by 20 to 30% due to its smooth surface, leading to use of more TMT bars than normal black or galvanized TMT bars. Let's understand the life cycle cost by using three types of coated TMT in the same environment. At the average cost in rupees per metric ton of steel, the approximate initial cost of hot dip galvanizing is rupees 13,000, while for fusion bonded epoxy coating is rupees 12,000, and for painting it is rupees 9,000. After 5 years, the galvanizing does not require any maintenance. The epoxy coating may also not require maintenance only if the coating is not damaged before or while concreting. However, the painting needs to be done again at a cost of rupees 9,000. After 10 years, galvanizing needs no maintenance. The epoxy coating is to be done again at a cost of rupees 12,000 and repainting at a cost of 9,000. If we calculate life cycle of 50 years, the cost of galvanizing is rupees 13,000 only, while for epoxy coating it is rupees 60,000, which is about 4.5 times, and for painting it is rupees 90,000, which is about 7 times. For simplicity, we have not calculated inflation and other hidden costs like replacing interior appearance, addition of steel, etc. The maintenance cost of fusion bonded epoxy coating and painting is much more in the long run, while galvanizing is virtually maintenance-free. Recently, the company has entered in the market of solar power and manufactured solar panel mounting structure for the first 5 megawatt project of India for Reliance Industries Limited, and currently it has made a firm footing in the market of solar power with substantial orders from the sector. The products of the company are power transmission line towers, telecom towers, windmill towers, solar panel mounting structures, substation structure, electrical line material, RSJ pole, roadside guard, cable trays, gratings, galva rebars. To our customers, we promise to supply fabricated and hot-dip galvanized steel products that meet national and international standards at competitive price and delivery as committed. We fabricate for you the Tower of Galvanized Success. Vishal Engineers and Galvanizers Private Limited.